Now, because so many of you guys asked me, show the world records that you hold, now this video is for you guys. So I'm gonna go through my world records very quick. So this is most consecutive overhead juggling catches. So juggling over the head with 3 balls for 1,464 catches. This one, most consecutive backcross juggling catches, juggling 3 balls behind the back. This is side-by-side juggling catches with a partner. So you juggle like 7 or 8 balls next to each other for the longest duration of time. Most 360 pirouettes in a minute with 3 balls, with 4 balls. Most balls juggled with 2 people. This is actually a bloody difficult record. I juggled 16 balls with my duo partner. This one here was my first Guinness World Record ever. This is for the most juggling catches with 5 balls in 1 minute, where I did 330 catches. So yeah guys, the world records, they're not like really easy to break. But juggling is something, it's not as popular as, let's say, tennis or football. So if you practice hard for 5 years, you can be one of the best in the world if you really attempt to. And that's essentially what I did. And that's how I hold 8 world records at the moment, or that's how I broke 8 world records. I think currently I hold 5.